To set my drag. Why did I chop off into the water? It's just going to float. I put the boilie on the wrong. Oh no, I didn't. Your bag flew off, didn't it?
Yep.
You putting on a new bag?
Yeah. I need to figure out if there's a way to actually keep it on rather than hooking it all the time. Because I feel like hooking it is unreliable.
Watch Fishing with Carl tutorials. He said put the hook inside the bag and then melt the bag on it. Like twist it. You know Fishing with Carl, don't you? That's a Spitfire. again. Seriously. Is that good? That. George, let me go out first quickly. I think this will work. No.
If you want me to cast them, then I'll do it for you. Watch my tripod.
Pressure's on. Extremely on right now.
You want us to stand and watch?
Yeah, that's fine. And hit the bushes. Right, that PDA bag's still on.
Is the lead?
Yes. Scared all the fish away. Does that have scared them all away?
Potentially spooked them, but I don't know. I've still got my fingers crossed for one fish. Afternoon everyone, the time is now 4 o'clock in the afternoon. As you can tell by listening beforehand, I'm with the young lad once again, back on Broadwater, completely different side of the lake. This time I'm using, I believe they're 12mm boilies on one rod, then a pop-up on the other. After about half an hour of my boilie rod being in, I did hear a bleep. However, that was literally it. I didn't hear anything else at all. It's been very nice weather, to say that. We have both enjoyed ourselves so far fishing until about 6ish, because we're leaving just afterwards. So that gives us about 2 hours or so. 2 hours, plenty of time. I've still got hopes of my first winter carp this season, as as you all know, I'm not really a carp angler, so I don't fish in the winter, or at least for carp anyway, that often. I don't really have much else to say apart from I will get back to you later, hopefully with a fish on the bank. Hi everyone, I'm now home. Unfortunately, it was a blank. Don't get me wrong, it was an absolutely beautiful day. Temperatures were slightly colder than last weekend when I went, so I knew it was gonna be tough, but that's fishing for you. As you all know, I'm not heavily into my carp fishing, but I definitely want to try and catch a winter carp, so I will probably give them a go in January or February at some point next year. My friend I was with also blanked. However, it was nice to have each other as company. Clear blue skies throughout the day. Like I said, had one bleep, but that was literally the only sign we had of fish. I believe no one else caught. If you did caught, feel free to comment below on broadwater. That's all for now. That is most likely my last session, but in 2025. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you're out between now and the new year, tight lines, and I have my fingers crossed for you. Oh, and also, if I don't see any of you, Happy Christmas and a Happy New Year.